Oh, and then?
Yeah, do that. I did that.
We're having a chickpea that my sister Caroline made. And we're down here. I'm not showing you, so I'm just showing the food. But I just glimpse you to. Aha! And we're having corned beef and chickpea. Yum! And this is down at Newland Community Centre.
Is Stephen coming?
No. I told him that you said not much traffic was here. And he goes, what am I going for then? I said, because my sister's down there. Yeah. Yeah, so this is down here at Newland Community Centre. If you're not doing anything, come on down. I'm going to put it on. If you're not doing anything, come on down. Oh, and look at this here. We have a Lisa and all her homemade cooking. Got coconut bread and banana, fresh banana with fresh cream, blueberry muffins. Wow. Oh, and all these as well. Then we got Carolini here. So if you're not doing anything, come on down here today, this afternoon, this evening, because they close at 7? Oh, 8. Oh, yeah, they finish here at 8. And they're having some really nice entertainment on around about 5 o'clock in the hall just along here. And this is all happening down in Newland Community Centre. Newland Community Centre. So come on down, people, and enjoy this free time. And we have a really good DJ as well. Woohoo! Look at that. Listen to this nice music and look at, this is out here, what's happening out here. It's so friendly, welcoming, and they're also selling some nice food. So the nice food stalls are just out here. So if you're not doing anything, come on down. Yeah, that's what they're making here. That's what they're making. And just along here we have some burgers, KJ's smash burgers. Wow. This is down Newland Community Centre. But you see where the bus depot is? That's where Newland here, it's right next door to it. Newland Community Centre. Come on down. These guys here are selling these fantastic burgers. Wow. Amazing. And we also have some, I don't know what these are called, but they're cool. No, I don't know what they are, but they look yummy. Look at that.
15.
They look yummy. Another store just behind me. Ice cream. Look at this area where you can just come and hang out with your family. Free entertainment tonight around about 5 o'clock. Enjoying this beautiful afternoon here in Newland Community Centre. So I'm just letting people know who don't know of this place to come on down and enjoy it. And here we have some lovely, let's see, lovely island food, and I believe all this food here, look at this food, taro, pork, banana and chicken and lamb chops, all for $25. You can eat here, you can take away. What about these? Whoa, delicious. Oh, and then along here we've got sweet ass Hawaiian barbecue. So that's what's happening outside. Hey, how are you? Good to see you, baby. Yeah, community centre is doing really, really well here. So I think there's people starting to come in. But if you're not doing anything, guys, come on, get up, get out. Weather is really doing, you know, the sun is going to stay out for a while. Here's some t-shirts here. Look at this. store. You have a beautiful shop here. Hopefully people are coming to pass it. And here we have some Niue potato.
Yeah, she bought one.
There we go.
You want to go?
Niue coconut bread. Come on down. Oh, look at all these things they're bringing in. Oh my goodness. I wonder what's happening here. More food. Wow. Oh, look at all these treats happening here. And then we have all these crafts here, the mats, bags and fans. My battery's going to go out soon, but I want to catch as much as I can. And this is the amount of people that's here today. There's everyone here. Look at that colourful day today. Hey? How colourful it is. Look at these pearls. Coconut oil. Look at this coconut oil. Huh? Oh, lotion. Okay. Look at these earrings here, $3 each. Pretty. Very nice. Pretty, beautiful. Lovely. T-shirts and caps. Then we also have people that are washing dishes. So if you're coming here, you eat on plates, okay, and cutlery. Yeah, beautiful. And the people here. So you were. Fihetau? Hả? Whakatau I whia nonu? Oh, okay.
It's not nice.
Yeah.
It's still Niue. It's just I think I will be in the van. If I have all the light.
So,
Start early today.
ito ki halataha.
Napakamata lapa.
Yeah, me too. First time.
I used to. And I used to be sitting in that corner.
Okay.
That's my corner.
Yep. So did they have tables like this? Huh?
Sit on the corner.
He he na kay tololo. He ho ko e mga ni ho.
No, the stool cooking out.
Si long na kay to far he. He long na kay. Okay. It's only, they say it's only meant to be for the Newland community, but I think they're getting other people to come in now. Yeah, from other places. Anyway, this is us. Here we are in Newland. The entertainment will be on at 5 o'clock, so they have Cook Island, they have Samoa, and they have Niue entertainment on. So if you're not doing anything, get yourself out of that and come out, get yourself out of your house and get dressed and come out to Newland Community Centre where it's all happening today. Okay guys, cheers for now. We'll see you down here, Newland Community Centre. Bye for now.